How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be showing you the 94 to 04 rear seat bottom locks. The rear seat bottom locks become damaged over time. If these are not working correctly, your rear seat bottom can move and can cause some unwanted rattles in the cabin. Follow along and we will show you how simple these are to replace. As you can see here, the springs on our locks were shot, so the seat bottom will become loose and will move up and down over bumps. Start by removing the rear seat bottoms from the car. Check out the link in the description below to show you how this is done. Once you have the seat bottom out, remove both of the 8mm screws from each lock. Now you can pull these out of place. Going back in, pop the new locks in place and fully tighten down each of the bolts. Now you can see we have eliminated all of the wiggle from the seat bottom. Alright everyone, I know this one may seem simple, but it's the little things like these locks that can change an interior. Normally, as most of us know, the back seat rarely is used in our Mustangs. Sometimes little things as simple as these locks can prevent rattles on the interior and make the back seat safe if you do have any passengers riding along. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and make sure that you turn on notifications. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.